Oh my gosh. Boys, they've been an experience, you know. It's been great, you know. It's been wonderful. The older guys, you know, they come and go on. Well, some move to Florida, some to California, what have you. Got along with them good. Great, you know, great guys, you know what I mean. So far as young guys, young guns, they're all great. They all respect me. They all love me, you know what I mean. So that's been great. You know, somebody walk by, I always talk to them or giggle to them or something, say something to them, make them giggle, laugh, or, you know, get their attention or something. And I can't say enough about you, for instance, the owner, and Scott and Rich. All y'all been so good to me. It's been just a great time, you know. Best place I ever worked, you know. So anybody that don't want to come work here, they don't know what they're missing. You know what I'm saying? So it's just been a great time. It really has. What has it been? 10 years?
10 years.
10 years, I guess. So I wish I'd have found y'all 40 years ago. Of course, I know you weren't in business at that time, but I wish I would have, you know. So, but y'all just been so good. It's been a good place to work. And I mean, if we needed something, you'd go get it. You'd make sure we'd have it for the cars or something if somebody didn't have it. And, you know, that means a lot. You know what I mean? So, oh, they need to suck in and watch everything they can. You know what I mean? And learn a lot, you know, videos, what have you. Because these cars are going to change. I mean, it's just a matter of time. If they're going to do a lifetime, you know, want this as a career, you know, these cars are going to start changing. You got to save the times. And, you know, they're not going to have them old cars anymore or something, or down the road here or something. You know, it's going to be totally different. So they're going to be in for probably a big surprise. You know, I would think, you know. So, oh, great. You all got so many tools up there and stuff. And like I say, if we don't have it, you remember when I come here, we had to get a tool. And I think you went all the way, well, a couple times. You may have run yourself. I can't remember the last one, but I think it was like Centerville or something. I think you went up to Centerville or something. And then we had another tool one time when I first kind of come here, and I think you had to go down to Fredericksburg or something and get it. But, you know, I'll be back. You found it, you went and got it. So we could finish the job, do the job, you know. So, because some people, sometimes they ain't got that tool like on a tool truck. And, well, you got to have it today, or as soon as possible anyway. So. But now you've always been there and stuck with us, and jeez, I mean, I couldn't ask for anything better, you know. So I just want to thank you. Y'all do little things, and you know, food, little picnics or whatever you want to call them, you know, little outings, and get us food and stuff, give us lunch. Not every day, but it's all appreciated.